Collagen, a kind of protein, is considered to be essential for human health. Your body's ability to produce collagen makes you appear more youthful, vibrant, and healthy. Many organs, including skin, bone, tendons, and ligaments, contain collagen that contributes to the connective tissue strength. The body's ability to produce collagen declines considerably with age. Your skin loses its flexibility and epidermal thickness when this happens. It results in wrinkles and skin damage. Decreases in collagen can also result in stiffer, less flexible ligaments, shrinkage and weakening of muscles, joint discomfort, osteoarthritis, and digestive problems. Low collagen levels can inhibit hair development and cause thinning hair. These 5 organic face masks help increase collagen synthesis and promote younger-looking skin. In this video, collagen hair mask for healthy hair, collagen face mask for a more baby-like appearance, collagen eye mask that hides and gets rid of tiredness, and a collagen eye contour mask that prevents aging marks are advised. This knowledge will enlighten you if you wish to look after yourself better. The top 5 homemade collagen mask recipes. First mask. Materials: 1 teacup of chia seeds, 1 teacup of flaxseed, 2 cups of brewed green tea. Application: to apply this mask, mix the seeds in a deep bowl. Then toss the hot brewed green tea over the seeds. In the meantime, take gauze and cut a gauze mask to fit your face exactly. Soak this mask in the water you just brewed the seeds in and remove it. Place the mask on your face and lie on a chair for 15 minutes with the mask on. You can try the miraculous mask that supports collagen production every morning. You can store the mixture you prepared in the jar with the lid closed. At the end of regular application, you can see that your skin looks healthier and livelier. Second mask. Materials: 1 tablespoon of honey, 5 pieces of red grape puree, 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Application: mix all the ingredients in a bowl to increase the amount of collagen in your skin. Then apply it to your skin with a small brush and wait for 15 minutes. The regeneration rate of your skin cells will increase thanks to this healthy mask with high antioxidant content. With this mask, you can eliminate the wrinkles that occur around the eyes, under and around the lips. As a result of applying 2 times a week, you can get effective results in a short time. Third mask. Materials: 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 egg white. Application: the best source of collagen for your skin is protein that you can get from food. You can also get this protein from eggs. Beat 1 egg white very well with a fork. Add olive oil to it. Apply this mask to your skin and cover your face with a white napkin. Now wait for 15 minutes for the mask to stay on the skin, and when the time is up, first remove the napkin from your face. Then clean your skin with lukewarm water. With regular application, you can increase the amount of collagen in your skin by getting efficient results. Fourth mask. Materials: half peach puree, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Application: thanks to a pulpy mask containing vitamin C, you can increase the collagen in the face area. Mix the 2 ingredients in the list well and apply them to your face. It is a mask that supports cell renewal around the eyes, the lips, and on the cheekbones. After the mask stays on your skin for about 15 minutes, clean it with lukewarm water. As a result of trying 2 times a week, you may notice that your skin is more lively, free from oils, and has a youthful appearance. Fifth mask. Materials: 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, half pureed kiwi. Application: kiwi is a source of vitamin C that supports collagen production. The mask you will prepare thanks to this nutrient will help your skin to look healthier. Mix granulated sugar with kiwi puree and apply to your skin by exfoliating. Since the sugar grains will create a peeling effect, it will help to clean the pores. You can help your skin look healthier by using a mask that supports the production of kiwi collagen 2 or 3 times a week. It is recommended to apply this collagen mask regularly to renew the cells and give a lively appearance. As a result, one of the main proteins in your body is collagen. It is a crucial component of structural elements and connective tissues, including skin, tendons, muscles, ligaments, and blood vessels, as well as portions of your eyes and teeth. It is made up of amino acid chains. Additionally, collagen helps in blood coagulation, wound healing, and nervous system protection. The skin's health, muscular mass, bones, and joints may all be preserved with the aid of a protein supplement. Collagen deficiency causes aging, hair loss, and skin concerns. Some meals we consume have a collagen-boosting impact, giving your skin a younger, healthier appearance. In essence, healthy collagen synthesis means avoiding early aging, which helps fight against wrinkles and fine lines. However, when people age and are exposed to other variables like smoking, the sun, and other lifestyle-related mistakes, collagen production decreases. It goes without saying that increasing your water intake, eating well, working out frequently, and taking care of your skin may all help you keep or increase the amount of collagen produced. The collagen diet is an eating plan that involves avoiding too much sugar and processed carbs while consuming foods high in collagen, which some sources claim helps to preserve youthfulness, vitality, and attractiveness. Consuming collagen injections and supplements are 2 other options. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, stay healthy. See you on better days.